Hi, this is Woody Kerwin at Night Owl Landscape Lighting. I chose to work with Ryan because I talked to some other business coaches in the past, and I was always a little bit skeptical because what we do, landscape lighting, this industry is such a niche industry that I wasn't entirely sure everything was going to apply to what I wanted to do. And if I was going to make an investment in a business coaching setup, it would have to be with somebody who knew my industry and was able to offer me specific advice and give me specific action plans that have worked. So when I first started talking to Ryan, talked to him on the phone for a couple hours before I agreed to sign up with his program, and I kind of put him through the ringer. Just I want to know, what does he know, what can he bring to the table, what are his accomplishments. I was impressed, and it didn't take too much for me to say, hey, this is the guy that I can work with who can really take my business to the next level. So we went ahead, and I can tell you it was a really, really good decision. I've been able to implement a lot of the stuff he's taught right away. So he's a good coach. He communicates well. I look forward to learning more from him as this program continues. And I really, really think that this was a really solid investment, and it's going to make a really big difference as I'm going through growth with my company. And I'm certain he can help just about anybody who's a motivated business owner in landscape lighting, in probably any industry. But just to have those tips, that are specific to lighting is huge. And I was a little bit skeptical at first, just because it's all remote, and I'm a big face-to-face person, but it's worked out wonderfully. The content is still excellent. All the lessons are great, and being able to talk to him and share ideas on private groups and Q&A calls really sorts a lot of that stuff out that might be a problem otherwise. So that did not end up being an issue for me anyways. So that's all. I can't recommend Ryan enough. Great guy, really knows his stuff. Thank you.